Hey all, if you ignored yesterday's observation, here is a recent JEE PYQ that proves why it was important. I have tagged yesterday's video here only. If you missed that observation, go check it out first. Okay, so let's see one PYQ which is 2025 PYQ, a recent one only. So it's saying that M and M respectively are maximum and minimum values of this determinant, and then we have to comment on this. Okay, so what was the yesterday's observation? It was if the sum of all the rows or sum of all the column is same, then we prefer to add it. So can I say if I add all these three elements, what we will get? 1 plus sine square plus cos square plus 4 sine 4x. Likewise 1 plus sine square plus cos square 4 sine 4x, and likewise the third one. So what we will do here, I will just do we are adding all the columns. So C1 will be C1 plus C2 plus C3. So what we will get, f of x is equal to, if I add, can I say we will get 1 plus sine square plus cos square plus 4 sine 4x. So can I say 2 plus 4 sine 4x. So here also 2 plus 4 sine 4x. Here also 2 plus 4 sine 4x, here also 2 plus 4 sine 4x. So that 2 plus 4 sine 4x I will take common. So basically we will get 2 plus 4 sine 4x, and we will get here 1 1 1, and the column 2 and column 3 will be, it will remain same only. Okay, now after this what was the next thing? We saw that if the entire row or entire column of any determinant is 1, we prefer to make zeros by subtracting. So what will I do here? I'll apply the operation in R2. I'll do R2 minus R1, and I'll apply the operation in R3. I'll do R3 minus R1. So basically what we will get, I'm writing over here. So we'll get f of x equal to 2 plus 4 sine 4x, 2 plus 4 sine 4x. We are doing the change in R2 and R3. So R1 will be same. So R1 will be 1, then cos square x, and then 4 sine 4x. R2 will be R2 minus R1. So if we do, it will be 0, then 1, then 0. Then what will be R3? R3 will be R3 minus R1. So it will also be 0, 0, and then 1. If I expand this determinant, I will expand it with respect to column 1. Since here we have two zeros, so we'll get 1 into 1. So basically we'll get 1 only. So my f of x will be, from here f of x will be 2 plus 4 sine 4x. Now we have to comment on the maximum and the minimum value of f of x. What do we know? We know that sine x is always between minus 1 to 1. So from here can I write that sine 4x is always between minus 1 to 1. So from here we can say 4 sine 4x will be always between minus 4 to 4. Now how to make it same? By adding 2. So if I'll add 2, we'll get minus 2 plus sine 4x, and then 6. So basically from here we'll get that the maximum value, capital M, will be 6 and the small m will be minus 2. They are asking m to the power 4 minus small m to the power 4. Basically 6 power 4 minus 2 power 4. So basically we'll get 1296 minus 16, that will be 1280. So option A will be the correct one. Thank you.